Have you ever wondered why some women form deep emotional connections with certain men, while others remain emotionally distant, no matter how much attention they receive? Is it timing, chemistry, a man's looks or status? The truth is, attraction may begin with physical appearance, confidence, or social status. But a lasting emotional connection is built on something much deeper. In this video, we will explore the 6 psychological triggers that create deep emotional bonds, why some men make women feel an intense connection, while others leave them feeling emotionally detached, the biggest mistakes men make that push women away, how to maintain deep attraction and connection with a woman over time. Most importantly, we'll uncover hidden truths about female psychology that many men never realize. Truths that, if ignored, can lead to heartbreak and emotional detachment. So, watch until the end to fully understand when and why a woman feels her strongest emotional attachment. Let's dive in. Number 1. Emotional safety, the foundation of deep connection. Before anything else, a woman must feel emotionally safe to form a deep connection. Most men assume attraction is about dominance, status, or charm, but none of these matter if a woman feels emotionally uneasy around you. So what creates emotional safety? Consistency. She needs to know that the way you treat her today will be the same tomorrow. Emotional intelligence. She must feel understood and validated rather than judged. Trustworthiness. She must see that you are honest and reliable in your words and actions. What pushes women away? Being unpredictable or inconsistent. Making her feel judged when she expresses vulnerability. Playing mind games to manipulate emotions. A woman will only open up emotionally when she feels she won't be criticized, manipulated, or abandoned. Number 2. Emotional presence, the power of your attention. A woman can sense immediately if a man is truly present with her, or if he is distracted, indifferent, or emotionally distant. Emotional presence means that when you are with her, you are fully engaged in the moment, listening deeply, not just hearing her words, but understanding her emotions behind them, avoiding distractions, putting down your phone, maintaining eye contact, and being mentally engaged. Responding with genuine emotion, showing that you care about her thoughts and feelings. What pushes women away? Being physically present but mentally absent, dismissing or minimizing her emotions, looking at your phone or focusing on external distractions when she's talking. Many men underestimate how powerful emotional presence is. The more emotionally present you are, the deeper the connection becomes. Number 3. Emotional depth, the key to lasting attraction. Women are drawn to men who have depth. A man with depth is emotionally strong, introspective, and wise. He doesn't need to act tough or play games. His presence alone creates attraction. So, what does emotional depth look like? Being able to express emotions without insecurity, understanding human nature and relationships, having a strong purpose and values. What pushes women away? Being emotionally closed off or robotic, only focusing on surface-level conversations, lacking self-awareness or purpose. A man with emotional depth makes a woman feel deeply understood, and this is what creates emotional addiction. Number 4. Emotional challenge, the secret to attraction that lasts. Most men make the mistake of either being too available, which makes them predictable and unexciting, being too distant, which makes them cold and detached. The secret to lasting attraction is balance. You must be a challenge while also being emotionally engaged. Here's how to create healthy emotional challenge. Have strong boundaries. Show her that you respect yourself. Don't be overly eager to please. Women value what they have to earn. Create space for her to miss you. If you are always available, she never has time to crave your presence. What pushes women away? being too predictable or easy to impress, letting her control the emotional dynamic, constantly seeking validation or approval. A woman must feel that winning your emotional investment is valuable. If she doesn't, the connection loses excitement. Number 5. Emotional leadership, the role of strength and stability. Women feel deepest connection with men who are mentally strong and emotionally stable. Why? Because emotional leadership creates security, and security allows women to fully open their hearts. Emotional leadership is about handling stress with confidence rather than reacting with anger or fear, being decisive rather than being uncertain or passive, standing by your values and principles even when challenged. What pushes women away? Being emotionally reactive or unstable. Seeking her approval instead of standing in your truth. Failing to take responsibility for your life. A woman can only fully connect with a man who is emotionally grounded, centered, and unshaken by external chaos. Number 6. Emotional mystery, the hidden secret to deep connection. Here's a powerful truth. Predictability kills attraction. The most attractive men maintain an element of mystery. They don't reveal everything too soon, and they keep a sense of depth that keeps a woman intrigued. How do you create emotional mystery? Be a man of depth and self-improvement. Allow her to wonder about your thoughts and emotions. Keep a level of independence in the relationship. What pushes women away? Oversharing too soon. Being overly needy for attention. Having no life or purpose outside of the relationship. Mystery makes a woman invest emotionally because she feels there's always more to discover about you. Final takeaway, the key to lasting emotional connection. So what's the ultimate lesson? A woman's deepest emotional connection isn't based on looks, money, or confidence. It's based on how you make her feel over time. Emotional connection is not built instantly. It develops through trust, understanding, and emotional security. Men who fail to grow emotionally will struggle to build lasting connections, while those who master emotional intelligence will create deep, lasting attraction. If you found this valuable, like the video, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay strong, stay wise, and build meaningful connections.